My name is Kaye. I'm an immigration lawyer. I have over 40 years experience, and we're going to talk about immigration and you and some new developments. So one of the most important new developments is that on November 14th, federal court judge Nicholas Garzas, who I have the distinction of knowing since he was a little kid, because I worked with his mother in a congressman's office, this Judge Garzas's order, which was on December 4th, 2020, required the Department of Homeland Security to take certain actions concerning DACA. And therefore, effective December 7th, the USCIS has to do the following things. They have to accept first-time requests for DACA, and people who didn't file yet but can file now. And the request for DACA, if you never filed before, will be according to the DACA policy that was in effect September 5th, 2017, and in accordance with Judge Garzas's order. People will now, the USCIS will have to accept DACA renewal requests based on the terms of the DACA policy that was in effect September 5th, 2017, and in accordance with the judge's order. They have to accept applications for advanced parole, travel documents, which is important, based on the terms of the DACA policy that was in effect September 5th, 2017. And they have to extend 1-year grants of DACA to 2 years. They have to extend employment authorization under DACA for 2 years. So this is very good news for people who are on DACA. And as I say, people who want a copy of the order, I will be happy to send a copy of Judge Garzas's order. Next, let's talk about the immigration courts. Immigration courts have closed in New York, at least, until January 1st, 2021, meaning that if you have a removal proceeding coming up and they haven't given you a date, you're not going to get a date until after January 1st, 2021. If you already have a date, that could be pushed back. So basically, the New York immigration courts, there are 3 of them. They're going to be for non-detained hearings, people who have not been caught up and people who are not locked up and waiting for hearings. They have to wait until January 1st, 2021. Okay, now we spent a lot of time talking about the new naturalization test, and it's not a very good test. It's not a nice test, and it has a lot of political overtones. So those people who want a copy of the naturalization test, which is in effect now, just get in touch with me by the email or phone number below, and I'll be happy to send you a copy of it, because if you have a naturalization immigration coming up, an interview, you may have to use the old test, which is 100 questions, or the new test, which is 128 questions, and even the old test has been changed to make it harder. So I'll be happy to send you a copy of the naturalization test. Get in touch with me at the phone number you're below on the screen, or send me an email, and I'll be with you again next week. Thank you.